recently our Chief Minister has announced that now in the government primary schools, yoga training and value education would be introduced. Now yoga training is a good thing. Value education problem आता. Problem आता नहीं. In the year 2000, when Atal Bihari Ji was the Prime Minister, and he's a person I always liked and respected. Kanchapura Education Minister Murli Manohar Joshi, he brought in National Curriculum Framework for Value Education. That National Curriculum Framework was opposed by all the parties in Parliament except Bajpa. Some days back, the Chief Minister, Mr. Parsekar, announced that he will introduce in the next academic year in the government primary schools, a yoga training and value education, government primary school. Now yoga training is a good thing and should be introduced. Now value education, very controversial, more than controversial, to be opposed to the nail. Because the same value education was brought in by the BJP-led union government in the year 2000, and it was rejected by all opposition parties in parliament and by most state governments because it was sectarian. It would create a wrong feelings in the young people, which would create havoc, opposed to secularism, democracy, and a sectarian agenda. Now the same thing, is sought to be reintroduced now by the present government at the national level and the states level. So what this government is doing, nothing exceptional. It's just following sorry, the instructions of the union government, and it is being done, tried to be done in the state governments across the country. It is to be opposed. Yoga training to be welcomed. Value education from this government is to be opposed. Number one, be opposed for you have to be analyzed. And once you are analyzed, I am sure it should be opposed completely. Discuss it in detail and then oppose it, reject it. Because in this country, my brothers, we are just building up this country. You see, we went through a lot of troubles. Great civilization, ancient, one of the great civilizations of the world.